Hi, welcome back to Mr. Slover's Math. Today we're going to talk about digital bullying, aka cyberbullying. So if you don't know what it is, you can go ahead and look it up online. That's what that first question is asking. And then where can cyberbullying take place? So you're circling everything that applies. So Twitter, online gaming, Facebook, social medias, Instagram, cell phones, TikTok, email, YouTube, Snapchat, pretty much anywhere that is in the digital world, cyberbullying can take place. So cyberbullying is using digital devices, sites, and apps to intimidate, harm, and upset someone or a group of people. So hate speech is a verbal attack targeting someone because of a group they belong to. So maybe there is hate speech towards their race, their gender, their religion, their ability, or sexual orientation, or anything along those lines. So both of them are not good. Okay, we don't want cyberbullying, we don't want hate speech. That just leads to more problems down the road. So what do we do if cyberbullying is happening to you? So if it's happening to you, you need to stop and leave the place that it is happening. So since this is cyberbullying is everything online, I don't mean like leave the room. I mean you need to leave whatever platform that you're using. So if someone is bullying you on Facebook, you need to leave Facebook. Or if someone's bullying you on Snapchat, you need to leave Snapchat. And you need to block all communications with that bully. Or it could be a multiple people. You need to record all communications and send it to a trusted adult. So the key word there is a trusted adult. Okay, don't just send it to any adult. Okay, it's got to be a trusted adult. Your teacher, your parent, your guardian, maybe your grandma, your grandpa, your aunt, or your uncle, someone that you trust would do something. And you need to make sure you tell someone what has happened. That way it can be addressed by, if we need to take further steps to involve other people, we can make sure we have all the information and move forward with whatever we need to move forward with. What do you do if you see cyberbullying happening? You need to report if you know who is sending the messages. So that could be to a trusted adult. That could be a lot of social media platforms have places where you can report bullying or hate speech or things along those lines. So you fill out whatever that form is, take a photo of it, send it in, and then the company itself looks into it. Okay, but if it's something that's happening at school or with a classmate, make sure that you're telling a trusted adult, telling your teacher, telling the IAs, telling your counselor, tell someone in the building. But if you do see it happening, you should refuse to take part in it. And you should take action against the bully. Speak up every time you see it happen. Make a comment. Hey, that's not okay to say. That those are harmful words. Or leave them alone. Or, something along those lines. Maybe reach out to your friend. So what can happen to someone that is cyberbullying? So just like with bullying, cyberbullying does have consequences. And some of them could be pretty severe. So if you are cyberbullied, you have an increased depression and anxiety. You have increased feelings of sadness and loneliness. You could have changes in your sleep or your eating patterns. You could have a loss of interest in the activities that you used to enjoy or like. Pretty much, if you were in a good mood, you're now in a bad mood. Okay? You're glum. You're feeling down. Okay, there could also be decreased academic achievement. Okay, so not just the health aspects, but also academic aspects. Your GPA and standardized tests could go down. Your school participation, so activities that you were involved in, or just being engaged in a lesson, or just responding to a question, or taking notes, or doing your homework, all of that participation could be decreased if you are cyberbullied. You could also be more likely to miss, skip, or even drop out of school. Now, obviously, there's a lot of other consequences that could happen from cyberbullying. This is not every single thing that could happen, both health-wise and academic-wise, but that just gives you a good idea of what could happen to someone that is cyberbullied. So if you see it happening, you need to try the best you can to get it to stop. Okay, tell a trusted adult, take pictures of whatever it was or screenshots, report it to the online platform so they can look into it. If it's happening to you, make sure you leave wherever it is, block all the communications with them, record anything you can and send it to a trusted adult. Make sure you're telling people what is happening so it can be addressed. Okay? Because if no one knows about it, no one can do anything about it.